Make a great choice today with the 2019 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, daytime running lights, tire pressure monitoring system, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.